So he's landing by himself again. Oh, that's shit. Not the windiest of days, but it's still a lot windier than I'd be comfortable flying our original Mavic Mini. So what I'm going to do today is put the new Mini 2 up into the air, see how it copes in normal mode and sports mode, and then put the little Mini straight up again, so it'll be the same wind, same route, and we'll see how they get on. Hello, I'm Ian and I'm playing with the Mini and the Mini 2 today. Like I said, it's not the stormiest of days today, but it's a lot windier than I'd be comfortable putting the original Mini up into the air. So what I'm going to do is do my usual flight, flying out into the wind, flying back with the wind. According to the little anemometer, we're gusting around 15 to 18 miles per hour down here on the ground. So to try and increase the wind a bit, I'm actually going to take it up quite high, and we'll see how both of them cope. So we'll start off with the original Mini and see how he copes. We'll take it up to about quite high, 100 meters, 300 feet. Oh, fuck you. Okay, right. Right, so P mode wasn't very good there. Oh, we are really struggling. Right, as usual, flying backwards, it's a lot happier. Turn it around to face the wind. Right, I'm in S mode now. Right, really struggling. So in sports mode, I'm managing to get up to 2 meters per second, which is pretty piss. In fact, to be honest, I'm really not happy. He's really struggling. Let's bring him back. Turn him into face the wind. Gee, and straight away he starts. So he's landing by himself again. Oh, that's it. Right, got to go out into the field and retrieve him. No, not exactly what I wanted to do. Clay field, what a load of shit. Right, did. Right. Beep, beep, beep. Well, that wasn't too successful actually. Unsure why, but he just kept on descending, and in the end he descended into the field and I had to go and retrieve him, which is a bit of a shame because now I'm covered in mud. I've not seen the Mini behave like that before. Frankly, I'm not that impressed. Right, before it gets too dark, let's quickly throw the Mini 2 up and see how that gets on, because you can see by the light I'm really not doing too well here. Absolutely no problem there. Straight up, so it's in sports mode, much higher. Oh, I've gone much higher now, 55 metres, that's what, about 150, 160 feet. And taking it high. Might pop in just P mode, normal P mode. See how fast it can go in P mode. Okay, so in P mode he's getting up to 5-6 meters per second, so that's going to be what about, check that out. So let go, straight down, he's not drifting though. Holding his position okay. Sports mode again, and off he goes. So he's still managing 10 meters per second in right into the wind. And so he's up quite high. So, infinitely better. Right, let's come home. Getting a bit dark. Can you even see me? I better finish this off out inside, I think. It's nice to see his little light. Right, okay, might have to finish this off inside because it looks like a little bit dark. Right, a little bit cold and dark, so I've come inside and I've reviewed the flight logs because I was taken aback a little bit by just how badly the original Mini performed there. I have flown the Mini in stronger winds. I mean, it was very windy outside, don't get me wrong, but I'm sure I've flown it in slightly stronger wind than that, and yet twice the Mini did an uncontrolled landing with no input from myself. It literally landed through lack of power. Now, looking through the flight logs on airdata.com, it looks like it really wasn't happy. The ESC, the motor spinning too fast error, or insufficient power, is the cause of this. And I know there is a separate issue that many Mini flyers have had, in that the rear left propeller is slightly deformed from where it's been stored in the case that comes with the combo. So for me, yep, an important lesson on the original Mini, that you can't really ignore that ESC motor error message, and that you do need to change the props if they're slightly deformed. But the big news for me is how well the new Mini 2 handled that wind. Flying it straight into the headwind proved very little problem for it. Yes, the P mode speed was reduced slightly, but knocked it into sports mode, and it was still able to get up to well over 10 meters per second, which is no mean feat, flying it straight into the wind. And I was up quite high as well. I was up to over 50 meters high, it's 150 feet at least, and it handled it absolutely fine. Anyway, the key thing for me to take away is that with the steeper pitch and the stronger motors, the Mini 2 has clearly got improved wind handling capabilities, and I was really impressed. No drift whatsoever there, and yeah, basically when I let go of the sticks, the Mini 2 would just stay still and not drift, which is not what could be said for flying the Mini in strong winds. So good job, very happy. When we get a stronger storm, I'll be putting the Mini 2 up again. I'd like to test it in even stronger wind, but that'll be for another day. Either way, as ever, you know the drill. Give me a little thumbs up, always helps. Hit something, don't get notified when I put something out. Either way, stay safe and sane. Until next time, have fun and happy flying.